Okay, so here it is. Here's my new spring jacket, DCYLP jacket coming out in spring 2018. I'm gonna run through a few things real quick. Run through the things I like about the jacket, things that I don't like. Okay, so I like everything about the jacket except ding ding ding, the size. Now I got the sample made in the 2X. The measurements definitely feel like they're off. It feels like I'm wearing a large right now, and I don't like that feeling. I normally wear between a 1X and a 2X depending on what it is, t-shirt, hoodie, jacket, whatever, but I wanted this to be in, you know, a size 2X in case I wanted to layer it up, but it's too fitting right now. It's like snug, but quality wise, I love it. Everything that I wanted them to do design wise came out perfect. I used the same manufacturer that I always use over in China. The sample was supposed to take 15 days. It exceeded that limit, but whatever that's here over there. So they got the 06 on the left sleeve. They got that. They got the DCYLP on the right sleeve. And they got tab chosen on the back. And material is nylon, wrist cuffs. Feel great. Waistband feels great. It's a nice jacket. I can't wait to you know, send the revisions size wise and put these things out in the spring. We got the metal aglets on the strings. Zipper comes all the way up to the bottom of the chin. Hood is nice. Let's pop the hood up real quick. Yeah, that's nice. I feel like back in the days, you know, when Tommy Hilfiger and Nautica, you know, was making these jackets, this style. And all those 80s babies used to rock them. So, yeah, just be on the lookout for these. Like I said, by the time they drop, all the revisions will be made. And hopefully you like them. I'm gonna put these, this is probably more than likely gonna be my first $50 piece. Even at $50 is a steal, so. Till then, as always, take care and choose your own path. Catch me on the next one.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basic. Pay attention. Stay alert. And remember, choose your own path.